come close. Babe, come. I just got home from work, babe. I'm a little stinky, but you know what? We need to cook.
You need to wash your hands.
I did.
Oh, okay.
I did wash my hands. I always wash my hands before cooking, babe.
Oh, good. Just making sure.
Yeah. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And babe.
And babe. And our clean hands. Tonight, we're going to be cooking something very special that I didn't pick. So what are we having, babe?
We're gonna have fajitas.
We're going to have fajitas with what kind of meat?
We're gonna use shrimp and chicken because we had purchased some shrimp and chicken and I didn't really know what to do with it. I just wanted it in our fridge. And then we have some leftover bell peppers that we need to use, and so I came up with fajitas.
So we're gonna have some chicken fajitas.
Not fajita.
And not fajita. Fajita.
Some people do say fajita. I have friends that have worked in Mexican restaurants, and there are people that say, I'll have the fajitas.
Yeah, babe, why don't you go ahead and give the viewers what are we dealing with here, babe?
These are uncooked, so we're gonna cook them ourselves. It's like fresh, way fresher, way more fresh.
All right, what else we got?
Salsa.
Okay.
I almost bought non-fat Greek yogurt,
Woo-hoo.
but I thought you'd freak out.
Okay,
So
what
I got
else?
sour cream, onion, bell pepper, little jalapeno, some chicken. Actually, these are shish kebabs.
Yeah, you're gonna have to open
Because
that
I
up.
was
Yeah, you're gonna have to open that up, babe.
I know, I wanted to barbecue.
And then shrimp, fresh shrimp.
Yeah.
While I was at work, since I got home a little late tonight, babe started to, is it called devein?
Yeah.
Babe started to devein the shrimp. We still have a couple more to do, so we'll show you how to do that. And also, babe, of course, since our friend John in Central California and his little company, Sheepdog BBQ. Hold on, I gotta adjust the exposure. Hold on. Ah, there we go. We're gonna use the I seasoning as well with our fajitas because that's really good stuff. We're trying to be healthier. Obviously, that's why we have the vegetables, the chicken, the healthy Sheepdog BBQ seasoning. That was kind of the motivation behind this dinner. It's healthy, it's quick, it's easy, it's tasty, and I'm gonna have some leftovers tomorrow for work.
Yay. Me too.
Oh, and you too.
After you take the shell off, this is really nasty. Like, this grosses me out. And then you pull the little vein out.
Ah!
Isn't that yicky?
What?
You gotta wash these. I like to wash them off.
So now they're all deveined. Mm-hmm. They all have deveined, detailed, de-ready. So they're fresh shrimp. We got them from the butcher.
Yeah, I don't like to buy pre-cooked ones. That's really yucky because then you're just double cooking them.
Yeah.
So I like to buy them like this. You can buy them fresh or frozen. Either way. You can buy them, you can even buy them without the pre-deveined and peeled. It's a little more expensive, but oops.
Oh no, man down!
5-second rule.
Hello, my love.
Were you talking to me?
Yes, babe. Hello, my love. While you're taking those apart, I want to offer our viewers a social media tip.
Yeah.
For growing your social media. Because you know that social media is my hobby. So here's the social media tip of the day. If you're growing a small business, or if you're growing your personal brand, or if you're growing your YouTube cooking channel, or whatever it is, in regards to Instagram, you know that you can promote all your stuff on Instagram. Post 3 times a day. Try and do a morning, afternoon, and night post. And don't forget about the stories. Do at least 1 or 2 stories a day. You're gonna appease the Instagram algorithm and the Instagram people, and that is going to give your, tinfoil.
Sorry.
That is going to give your Instagram and your posts a lot more exposure. Because if you didn't know, for example, if you have about 1,000 followers on Instagram and you do a post, all 1,000 people are not going to see that post. You're lucky if 10% of them see that post. That's only 100 out of the 1,000. So if you can constantly appease the algorithm, you're gonna get more exposure, you're gonna get more engagement. So yeah, there's a lot more to that strategy, but I just wanted to talk about that because it was fresh on my mind.
Yeah, you can follow me on Miss Bethany Hill.
That was a shameless plug. Anyways, back to our regular scheduled cooking program now. So basically, what's the whole plan? We're gonna cut everything up, we're gonna throw it in the cast iron, we're gonna put some seasonings, we're gonna get it hot and spicy, and we're gonna make some fajitas with these uncooked good tortillas.
Yeah.
Got it, babe, got it. Don't forget about the shrimp.
Well,
Why do you have glasses on?
Because this is how we cut onions in this house, if I have to do it. I'm not like a huge fan of onions, so I'm making them really thin.
Oh, hi, babe.
Oh, hi, babe.
How's the cutting going?
Fantastic, babe.
And then we're gonna put some
I really don't like meat. I think it's yucky.
Oh, meat is delicious. You don't like cutting the chicken.
I don't like cutting the chicken. I think it's really nasty.
Is that a fresh jalapeno, babe?
Yeah, I'm throwing just a little bit in there for a little spice because we love spicy.
Babe.
Yeah.
I just texted John,
Yeah.
the owner of Sheepdog BBQ.
Yes.
He said, scrap the fajita mix.
Okay.
Just go with the I.
Got it.
And we won't be disappointed.
Okay. We're
So
doing
let's do it.
like this. Bye.
Get it.
Bye, Felicia.
So, bell peppers, onions, jalapenos. In with the chicken, in with the weird coconut stuff. And then, babe, I think. No cooking slippers! No! No! Missing?
They're missing.
Babe. APB. APB. Flash a police car on the screen. Woo! Babe, where are the cooking slippers?
I don't know. The case of the missing cooking slippers, babe.
So as you can see, we're covering it for like 15 minutes with tinfoil. In the meantime, I will tell you the Sheepdog BBQ stuff, it's a good product, and it's the company's owned by a law enforcement officer up in Central California. We're in Southern California. He doesn't pay me or anything like that. I just became friends with him on social media. I've tried his product. I like his product. Personally, we like it. You can see our other YouTube videos where we use it. So he told me, John, the owner, told me, hey, if you tell your followers to order and they're your friends, just tell them to use the code SMB, that's social media boss. SMB Josh when you order online on his website, and it'll give you like 10 or 15 something % off. So basically you can get the sampler pack. It's like 3 of the seasonings and the barbecue sauce, and the barbecue sauce, yeah, the barbecue sauce is it's the jam. And it comes out to be like 20 or 25 bucks. It's like super good deal. It's all fresh homemade stuff, obviously law enforcement owned. So that's my shameless plug for him. Shameless plug for you, babe. Shameless plug for him. Somebody needs to start paying me for this, babe. Seriously.
I think I pay you.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
What do you pay me in?
Love.
Babe, ooh, how long was that? 15?
That was 10.
Oh, 10? Mm-hmm. How's the
Good. Really
Good, that was a good call to ditch the fajita.
Yep.
And go with just that.
It's good.
So what are you gonna do, babe? What's the plan?
All right, I'm gonna turn this on. I'm going to put a little bit of coconut oil in there. And we are gonna fry these babies up.
Babe, if people follow you on Instagram and me on Instagram, they would know that you were just out and about in LA yesterday, just doing hair education, hanging out with reality TV stars and just doing...
I was actually hanging out with Kim Kardashian, J-Lo, Ariana Grande's hairstylist.
Oh, that was a good... Maybe that should be our title to this video, hanging out with all these people, and then at the end, the hairstylist. Babe, this video's wrapping up. It's almost to the end. That was a quick and easy dinner.
It was really good.
That was really good, actually. I'm I was a little skeptical that it wasn't going to be strong enough because the fajita mix that you normally get, the McCormick one or whatever, is, you know, everybody knows about that one. It's super strong.
Yeah.
But this is like super healthy and really, really flavorful.
Yeah.
And that's what we're all about.
Way better.
With the fresh jalapenos that you put in and everything like that, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, this is yummy.
So you're finishing up the tortillas. The fajitas are done. They're just simmering and keeping warm right there. And we're gonna make ourselves a little medley, if you will, with this weird coconut thing that we made. I gotta say, John's product, the Sheepdog BBQ, and again, I'm not getting paid or anything like that. It's a really good product.
It's fantastic.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Like the rubs and stuff like that, they're really good. These fajitas, we use no fajita seasoning or anything like that. Remember, Babe just threw it on the floor, but they turned out really, really flavorful. And the sauce that we made on that barbecue chicken the other night in our other YouTube video.
I was like, I still am drooling over that.
Yeah,
I'm mad that you took all of the leftovers to work and you left me none.
Babe, I was working a 12-hour day today and tomorrow and the next day. And I have overtime. Thank you guys for watching. I was gonna say thank you for subscribing. You should subscribe. But if you can click the little thumbs up or thumbs down. If you hate me, then, and if you love Babe, just say, click
Everybody loves Babe.
What about me?
Well, we all love you too. But...
Oh, okay. Click the thumbs up button, subscribe if you will. Thank you for watching the video. And that's it, we're out. It's, what day is it, Babe? It's Tuesday. We're gonna go eat.
It's Taco Tuesday!
It's Fajita Tuesday! All right, thanks guys, appreciate it.